So welcome back to the Army View, where I'm going to be showing you how to create, to order the slides on the theme, order the slides on the monthly live cast that we do every single month. So, I mean, you can take this principle for other slide presentations as well, but this is specifically geared towards the live casts that we have every month. And yeah, I hope this is helpful. The first thing I'm going to do is I have right here on my thing right here I have on Notion, I have the system hub for creating the slide presentations. It's called Creating Presentation Slides, as you can see right here. And I have the order that we're going to put them in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this on this side, and oops, not like that. And then this one I'm going to put over here, this one over here, and let me see if I can get this thing to there you go. Alright, we got it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to, as you can see, the title slide, which is already in place because that is part of the system. And then it says the first teaching point, which is on here already, and it's in the right place. And then you'll see, like, after the first teaching point and all the slides that are all the slides that are in there, it says actionable steps. That's supposed to be this. Or, you know, I'll just leave it like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the bottom where the template slides are that we always take, and you'll see right here is the actionable step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Control D. That's the hotkey for duplicating instead of doing it with your mouse. And I'm going to drag it all the way up. Okay, so you can see the first teaching point was right here. So I'm actually going to drag it up right after the first teaching point right here. So this is like, first we teach them about the teaching point, and then we give people actionable steps to do so they can really apply it to their life. And then the next thing that I do is I duplicate this slide, the teaching point, and I put that one after just to make sure people remember. And I put it right after the actionable steps, right before the next teaching point. And then I do the same process. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to press Control D, hold in Control, and I'm going to hold in, and then I'm going to click 2. I'm going to press Control C, copy, and then I'm going to go down to the next, right here. I'm going to press Control V. There you go. So now you got both of them. This is the teaching point for teaching point number 2. This is doing the same thing again, and then actionable steps. I actually just thought about that. You know how God works and brings more things to your remembrance, because I did it the long way. We're doing both of them. Yeah. So anyways, so that you can do that for each teaching point. So we're going to do it for teaching point 3 too. So I'm going to hit Control for both of them. Press Control C, and then hit right here. That's teaching point number 4. Control V. So these slides still need to be like the picture still needs to be changed and updated, but this is just like the ordering it. So I'm not going to show you in this video how to find the pictures and things like that. So we got one more to do. Press Control C, and you can also go by the and it looks like this is the last slide because this is part of the system. So I'm going to press Control V. This is part of the template that we always use. There you go. So that's teaching point number 4. So you can see we already did the title slide, the first teaching point, and then this says to repeat it until all of them. And then next comes a summary slide. So I'm going to go down here, and this is the summary slide. As you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it and put it up here. All the way up here. After the teaching point 4, we say the teaching point 4, and then we like summarize all the 4 teaching points so that people can remember them better. And then after that, it says a scripture song slide. So we are going to put the scripture song slide and the live question and answer slide. So what I'm gonna do is hit this, press. Since we only use this one, I'll just like one time. I'll just put that up here, drag it up right here, and then after that we duplicate a title slide. So what I do, which is right here, I'll duplicate this title slide and just put it at the end so that we can end with the title. There we go. And that is it for ordering the Livecast slides. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. And thank you so much for working with the Army of Youth and using your talents to give people a view. What's this word? To give people a visual aid so they can better see and better understand what we have to share. I hope you enjoyed the video.